Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So basically, I have bought phone cases from Wish in the past, and I actually really like them, and they're super cheap. So today I thought I would buy a bunch of them. I think I bought like 12 or 13. The greatest part is all of these were free. I just had to pay shipping. We are gonna be opening up all of these phone cases that I bought. I have not tried any of these on my phone yet whatsoever. I do want to say they didn't send me one phone case, but I did get a refund. I'll say that's kind of the greatest thing about Wish is that they're really good with refunds. Also, yes, I am wearing glasses today. These glasses are from Diff. They came in this cute little box right here. These glasses are super cool. These are in the style Sage. They're the rose gold. They are also the blue light lens. So basically, if you're somebody that's on, you know, your computer or your phone all the time, you're definitely gonna wanna check out these blue light lenses because they're pretty awesome. The greatest thing about Diff though is that with every pair of shades sold, they donate one pair of reading glasses to somebody that's in need, and I think that's awesome. That just makes my heart all warm. I'm obsessed with these. I've been wearing them nonstop. I feel like they make me look like a cool mom in a sense. I'm not a mom, but yeah. I believe I have a coupon code, so if I do, I'm gonna link it down in the description below, so go check that out. Go get yourself a pair of glasses so we can be twinning. Anyways, I've been rambling on for so long. I just want to get into this video because I'm so excited to try out these phone cases. Okay, so I kept everything in here. These are all the phone cases. Like I said, didn't open anything completely. I just kind of peeked inside just to see, you know, what they were, just keep track of everything because your girl buys a lot from Wish. I am just gonna get started. Let's just crack into this first one here. Okay, so here it is. I'm just gonna take it out of this plastic wrap. This is what the phone case looks like right there. So it's just kind of like a case with all the phases of the moon and like the stars behind. I'm just gonna do that so maybe you can see a little bit better. The main reason why I bought this phone case is I was just kind of scrolling on Wish, you know, trying to find some cute phone cases. So I'm just scrolling and I see this one and I'm like, that looks so familiar for some reason. And then I realized that it's actually my phone background, and I'm like, how cool would that be to have, you know, the background on my phone and my phone case be the same thing. So let's try this on. That is so cute. I love that. It's one of those like really hard rubber phone cases where the picture is on the background. It is textured so you can actually feel all of the stars and like the moon, which I think is actually really cool. The picture is a little bit, you know, not the greatest, but again, this was like $4, I think. So I'm not complaining whatsoever. I'm definitely giving this one a thumbs up for sure. I'm one of those people, I'm obsessed with phone cases. Like I hoard them, honestly. Going into the next one here. Oh my God, the plastic's like stuck to this one. Oh geez. Oh, this one's so pretty, you guys. Look at that. Look, can you guys see? Is it focusing? Focus. Look at that. Oh my God. Like the last one, it is rubber, but it's more of like a softer rubber where you can like bend it. Let's just put it on the phone and see what we're working with. That's how it looks on the phone there. That's so pretty. I can't stop staring at it. I love all those sparkles. That's just like, those sparkles are mesmerizing. I can't stop staring at it. I'm like, ooh. If I didn't know any better, I would never think that this was from Wish. Like, it's a pretty sturdy, like, you know, good phone case. This one deserves a huge thumbs up. I really like this one. So let's just go into the next one. All I see is bubble wrap. Jeez, my gosh. Okay, this one is like bubble wrap to the extreme. This one's so cool. I've never had a phone case like this, but I've always wanted one. It's one of those phone cases that like has all the glitter inside like that. I don't know how well you're gonna actually see it on camera there, but you guys see that? All the glitter. I'm like a 5-year-old when it comes to glitter and like anything shiny. I'm just gonna sit here and play with it. Okay, this one's actually kind of hard to get on your phone. Am I gonna break this? Okay, finally got it on my phone. Oh wow, it looks so nice on the phone. This one's not like the others at all. It's like a hard plastic phone case. That's what it looks like on the phone there. So look at that. Look at all that. Okay, I could stare at that for 10 years, honestly. Definitely a lot harder to get on your phone than the other ones. The whole thing about this one is they had so many other glitter colors. I just got silver because I thought it would look really cool with the actual phone itself, and it does. I need to take this off my phone because I will continue to like stare at it. Okay, a little bit of a struggle to get off your phone. Jeez, ow, I hurt my finger. Ow. Oh my God, that hurt so bad. Okay, my finger just got stuck in between the phone case and the phone. Still don't have it off my phone. Oh my God. Whew. It's cute, but it's definitely, like, my fingers are actually in pain now from trying to get that off. I'm giving that one a thumbs up, but I am gonna take a couple points off. So it's like a thumbs up like that, just because it's really hard to actually get off your phone. And I don't like that. We're just gonna go on to the next one here. Oh, this one's so pretty. So, looks like this. This one's like a marbled gold reflect case. I think that's so pretty. One thing I'm noticing about this one is that the background, not the gold like reflex, but the background itself is very pixelated, like to the extreme. Like I can see the grain in the picture, but from afar you wouldn't notice that. That's what it looks like on the phone there. That's so cute. I like that a lot actually. It kind of makes my phone look mint green a little bit. It's one of those soft rubber phone cases, super easy to take off your phone, which is the best thing. This one is definitely a thumbs up. I used to be obsessed with marble, so I have so many marble phone cases. So I got a lot of like different ones this time. I got a lot of sparkly ones, ones with different patterns, just because I seriously, like if you looked in the drawer that I have all my phone cases in, it's literally just marble. So I thought I'd switch it up a little bit this time. I think I got like a couple that were marble just because I like marble. I can't help myself. I just really like them. Next one. I am so excited for this one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the plastic first before I show you. Like, this is, look at this phone case. Look at that phone case. It's something. So the fuzzies from this heart are literally just like flying all over the place. Get out of here. The heart is kind of lopsided a little bit, but like, who cares? It's so cute. I don't even care, to be honest. This is just kind of glued on, so like if you weren't super careful with this, it would probably just rip right off. But like, this is not a phone case I would keep in my pocket, you know what I mean? Imagine just answering the phone, hey. It's very soft. Again, it's one of these soft rubber phone cases. I think these are the best, honestly, just because they're so easy to work with, you know what I mean? Like, comparing this to the really hard plastic one, the amount of time that I spent taking this one off and that one off is just like insane. Like, this one is just very cute. Like, obviously it's not super practical, but like if you were taking a, you know, a picture or something like that, like a mirror selfie, if you're somebody like me and you kind of like collect phone cases in a sense, I guess you could say, this is super cute just to have in your collection. Definite thumbs up for this one just because it makes me smile. I am an old person. Not really, I'm 21, but like, I have never tried a pop socket, ever. Like, people were always talking about them and like having them on their phone, and I just didn't even really know what they were for or what the purpose was, but I guess it's so you can hold your phone better. But anyways, I got one. It's like very bedazzled. Can you guys see? No idea where my camera stopped recording. I was talking about the pop socket. I finally got it, you know, open and working here. So I don't know, do you stick this on your phone itself or do you stick it on a phone case? I'm gonna do my phone. And how sticky is this? That should come right off. I'm kind of, wait, okay, should I? I'm scared. If I put it on crooked, that's gonna be a disaster. Cool. Cool, look at that. That's what it looks like on the phone. Again, I don't know if you're supposed to actually stick this on your phone itself or a phone case. Okay, so I'm gonna stick it on a phone case now and just see how it works. So that's it on the phone case there. That is actually so cute. I like that a lot, to be honest. I had these in a bunch of different colors too, but again, I'm very boring and I just picked up the silver because I thought it would, you know, match my phone. I also can't stop playing with this, like popping it and then doing that. Definitely gonna pick more of these up because I think they're actually really cool. Didn't get the hype of them before, but now I do. Let's just get into the next one. Okay. I can already tell just from like it being in the plastic that this is definitely probably the worst quality one. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but it's definitely on like the lower quality side. The picture's pretty grainy. It's also a little bit blurry too. The thing is, this still looks super cute on your phone. That's what it looks like on the phone there. I paid $4, so it's not like I'm expecting OtterBox cases. So I do really like this. I think it's cute. It is a hard rubber phone case, so there's not much bend, but it is super easy to take off and on your phone. I do like this one. It's just not as much as the other ones, but I'm still gonna give this one a thumbs up. Next one, I can't show the package because it literally has my address on both sides. Okay, so this one is super basic, but that's kind of what I like about it, to be honest. So it's just this soft rubber, really light pink phone case. For me, this is probably gonna be one of the most used ones out of this haul, just because I can wear this wherever, whereas like compared to this one. I'm gonna try the pop socket on this phone case. Did I break it? Wait. And maybe I'm just dumb, but I am not a pop socket expert, okay? I wasn't aware that once you stuck it on a phone case, it just stays there. So, I broke it. Guys, I'm an idiot. Oh no, I ruined this phone case. That's so sad. I guess I could try to get it off. Sometimes I do things and then I question my stupidity afterwards. I'm like, did you just do that? Anyways, back to this phone case. Yeah, not much to say about it. It's very soft though. I like it. It's very like smooth. Yeah, I gotta give that one a thumbs up. Oh yeah, okay, no. I was like, did I order this? But I did. So this one is just a soft rubber phone case, but it has like the crystalling here, and then it has all the crystals here as well. Hey, look! I get amused by the stupidest things. That's what it looks like on the phone there. It's actually kind of pretty because from afar it looks like a clear phone case, and then when you get up close, you see all the details that are on it. So it's nice to have some like plain options like this too. Okay, so we only have one more package after this. Oh, this one's so pretty. I love this one. It's just really pretty. So it's kind of like this purpley maroon color with all of the white polka dots. So that is what it looks like on the phone. I don't have any color phone case like this purple. I think it's a really pretty, you know what it is? It's like an eggplant. It's like an eggplant purple. Yes. I was trying to like figure out the color and it's an eggplant purple. Yes. I think this is the one that I'm actually gonna keep on my phone because I do like this one a lot. This next thing is not a phone case. Okay, so it does want to focus, but it's basically a little tiny pig. This is what it's actually for. So you put like your charger or like your headphones through that and then plug it into your phone, and that's what it looks like. I just thought that was so, I don't know. I'm like a big kid, honestly. Like, am I 12 or 21? I don't know. It's so funny. I love it. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this free Wish phone case unboxing haul. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but anyways, I'm actually really impressed with the quality of all these. There's only a couple that the picture was pretty grainy and pixelated, but the rest were super awesome and well worth the money. Like I said, all these were free. I just paid $4 shipping on, I think every single one of them was like $4 shipping. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really, really appreciate that. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!